3:50 p.m. and well, I might have been missing out. um, I'm willing to bet there's been quite a lot of changes happening overhead. There has been some aircraft activity that I have heard. Um, wow, so bright, so bright. Let's go ahead and I'm not seeing anything right now. So let's dim this down and just kind of look up here for a moment. And I'm recording blind because it is just too bright. But we have these like, I don't know, long wisps. Kind of resemble the wave patterns to certain clouds. Okay, we got a little patch here that you can see in comparison to the puppy next to it. And yeah, they are on different levels. I can tell that. And oh, what else? Yeah, we got some stuff kicking off here. Oh yeah, look at this here now. All right, and I'm gonna stay pan back for now. You can see the same down on the western horizon here. Almost, almost kind of looks like there might be a little bit of coloration, and I do have this dimmed, so that should be zooming in on some of this. Yeah, but no, I'm not out to find stuff right now. Although, wow, what we got going on? Okay. You see? Huh, this kind of looks strange. And I don't know if I'm blurring out or not. Probably. In the meantime, where are we at here? Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's go back here real quick. Yeah, okay, so I dimmed the lighting down all the way. Alright, we are panning back onto the regular lighting settings. And just for another look here real quick. That thing's coming out. Alright, so with all of that being seen or unseen or not seen or seen and soon forgotten, whatever the case might be, we'll see you back here on this flip side.